Today we're gonna cook a big pot of spaghettis. Let's go. What we have here is some ground beef and some breakfast sausage. I like to cook mine together. And we're gonna let it brown and we're gonna drain the grease and add our seasonings. Here we have mushrooms. Gonna add diced tomatoes. It's looking good already. We have celery, bell pepper, and onion. We have some Italian seasoning. Sweet basil. Some oregano. I'm gonna add some garlic powder. Some accent. And here we have some Prego mushroom sauce. Okay, we had that stirred up. We're gonna add a couple tablespoons of sugar to it, kill that acidity taste. And we're gonna add, see, we don't have too much sauce in there. So we're gonna mix the traditional sauce with the mushroom. And gonna add a little salt. We're gonna stir all that together and we're gonna let her cook for maybe about 35-40 minutes. Make sure your meat break down real good. Get all your flavors incorporated. Make sure your onions, bell pepper done. Look how good that look already, and it ain't even done yet. As you can see, it's cooking good. You see the color change of that sauce? It's cooking good. I'm gonna let it go, like I say, probably 35-40 minutes. In the meantime, we're gonna get our water together so we can cook our spaghettis. Oh my God, don't that plate look delicious? Look at all that good thick mushroom in there, that meat. We got some 5 cheese, garlic bread. Finna get ready to go to town. Yes, Lord.
Go cook some food, damn it.